Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Now let's talk about the pound dollar. Okay, so as we talked about last week, structurally it looks weak. Right, after a move to the upside, which is still within this consolidation band, right? And even there was even a fake out of this consolidation band, but it fails to hold this line, and then it dumped further, and we think the dump will continue. For this pair this week, there's no bullish bias, and structurally it looks ready to go down from here immediately. The green line depicts a scenario where price will consolidate slightly upwards, maybe to the top of this channel before price dumped. But regardless, whether it goes down immediately or it consolidates before going down, I think around this 1.35, 1.35 level needs to be retested before a sustainable long move to the upside can happen. Right.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.